More than 100 Nigerians killed by floods. At least 100 people have lost their lives, following incidents of flooding across the country. According to BBC, authorities confirmed the figure, while also noting the displacement of thousands of people, as well as destruction of farmlands. The Nigeria Hydrological Services Agency had raised the alert of flooding in some states after its report that rivers Benue and Niger had almost reached levels that resulted in flooding in 2012, which led to loss of lives and destruction of property. President Muhammadu Buhari, as such, directed the National Emergency Management Agency, NEMA, to declare flooding a national disaster. Analysts also highlighted lack of proper town planning, blocked waterways and poor drainage systems as factors responsible for recurring floods in the country.